Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you, in here you're gonna find a camping table that this man sent to me for the video. It's actually a foldable and extensible camping table that lies about like 35 inches wide by 26 inches tall. So it could be a good one for like when you're cooking outdoors, when you're going to the beach, when you're going out camping, hiking, fishing, or just going to the rear like a pool party or something like that, or just for friends and family as well. This one, we're gonna take it out of the bag. As you can see over here, comes with this bag to carry it out, so that is better for you. Just like take it with you on the go and drop it in the trunk of your car, or just like hold it like this one. We're gonna take it out, we're gonna put it to a test because this one holds up 240 pounds as well. So the first thing you will do is extend this one right here, so you have the poles actually goes this way, and you're gonna extend this part over here, which is gonna be your legs, and then it's gonna be your whole table. So you can actually put it a little bit up. I'm gonna do that after we put the actual part on top, so you're gonna see that this one goes super nice right away. And once that you have it just like that, which by the way, I'm gonna tell you something, this one comes with a plastic. You can see that it's a plastic covering this one. I'm not gonna take the plastic off because this one looks so cool with and without the plastic, and the plastic is gonna actually help it to I think it's gonna have like more endurance with some of the other things that you're gonna put on top. So I'm actually gonna leave the plastic, but of course remember that you can remove it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put this ends right here on this side of the table. Let me show you, super easy. You're gonna do it this way and make sure that you connect this part over here with each one of the sides. Let me actually do it this way. So they're both connected, and then you're gonna press right here on this end. One is gonna be up right here, done, and then the other one, done. And you're all set with your table right here, all fully extended. And once you've done that, you have this option over here to extend the legs up to, as I was telling you before, the 26 inches. So you extend all legs. Oh, it's a windy day over here. And right now it changes from that little leg for kids, little table for kids, to this one that it goes on top. I mean, again, the plastic, I think the plastic is actually pretty cool. So the other good thing about this one is it comes with this bag on the actual bottom of the actual table. So you can put some snacks, you can put some drinks, you can put some bags, you can put some things right here with this storage bag, which comes with the Velcro, and it's pretty resistant. So this is when I say that I was putting it to a test. I'm sitting on top of it. It holds up to 240 pounds, so you can put plenty of things. You can even put a grill over here and grill on top of this one if you want as well. So fully foldable, fully adjustable with the bag, holds up to 240 pounds. Comes with this really nice plastic that you can remove, of course, but I'm just gonna keep it because it's gonna help to preserve it for sure. It also comes with the bag, the storage bag, and the extensible leg, so you can actually use it for kids if you want, or you can use it for adults. I think it could be a really nice one to take for camping, hiking, fishing, just going to the beach, or just having it on the side of your grill. Just put everything you need for when you're cooking. Like it, I do recommend it. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.